Integrity is everything. That is the cornerstone of the business.
You have to be willing to sometimes sacrifice profit for doing what's right.
Integrity is a huge thing. Your word is your bond.
I know that if we do the right thing for somebody, we don't try to oversell them something that they really don't need. We try to really vet what they are needing.
The most important thing to know about us is that we are a family. We're a family business. We believe in every single person that works at that company, and we trust them. And we also treat every single one of our customers like their family.
I view my customers as an extended form of the family. I've got to meet some of them, hear their personal stories. There's nothing quite like the bond of meeting somebody in all five senses. When you're at, say, a big trade show, or you go to a plant and you see a person that's actually doing the job.
We pride ourselves on being creative, on being innovative, and being out there in the field with the customers, understanding what their needs are, having us being able to take that to the drawing board and specifically draw up these types of designs that they need. The latest thing that we have right now, we've got the new clear lens. So the new clear lens is going to be a really fun one for us. The biggest hurdles that we always hear in the field are guys not being able to differentiate colors, especially when you're talking about some of these big switchgear situations. They've got fogging there, they're wearing these big cumbersome types of suits, and they need to be able to communicate with their partners. They need to be able to hear each other. They need to be able to visually see what they're working on specifically without having to hold, flashlights and potentially create larger scale accidents.
I think it's going to provide a lot of comfort and visibility to the end user.
We always want our customers to go home the exact same way that they came to work. When it comes to safety, there's no ceiling on this. It'll never be enough. We'll never stop innovating. We'll never stop trying to create the best products and the safest products in this industry.